Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Pondicherry. So let us discuss one by one in detail. So I am going to include all the links in the description for the job roles mentioned in this video. So you can have a look on the description once for the links to apply for these positions. So firstly, there is a job opening for digital marketing manager. It is from Dentist Sirona, located in Pondicherry. So let us discuss about the qualifications and experience details mentioned here. So bachelor's degree in marketing, communication or related field is required, and at least 5 to 7 years of experience in driving digital marketing problems, execution and analysis, preferably for fast-paced industries such as healthcare, finance, retail and manufacturing. And also the candidate should be having strong experience in driving B2B and or B2C demand generation, and strong communication skills and ability to lead high-level strategic planning sessions and deliver key findings and results to a broad audience, and also experience in supporting global marketplace and working experience within the complex matrixed organizations with multiple stakeholders and also dotted lines of responsibility, and also previous experience with marketing planning tools a plus. So these are the qualifications and experience details for this digital marketing manager position. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager manufacturing engineering. It is from Lenovo. So coming to requirements, lead manufacturing engineering, project management, product launch support, BOM, off spec engineering change, plant BTIT, digital transformation and ME, and process control, automation, parts localization, CMI, continuous manufacturing and improvement, value added solution as per this need. So these are the requirements for this assistant manager manufacturing engineering. So you can go through with all the details mentioned here. Next one, there are openings available for operations supervisor FMCG. It is from Sri Vijaya Ganapati Stores. So it will be a full-time job. Let us discuss about the responsibilities like staff maintenance and following up FIFO and ensuring and implementing visual merchandising, implementing new strategy to increase sales and refilling stocks in floor, inventory stock audit. So these are the responsibilities. So the candidate should be having his or her diploma or any bachelor's degree, and also he should have some experience in FMCG industry. So fresher candidates can also eligible to apply for this position, and the candidate should be having ability to multitask and also fluency in both English and Tamil languages. So he should have some skills such as cost analysis, decision making skills should be there, and problem solving skills and IFFO skills should be there for the candidate to apply for this position. So you please go through with all the details mentioned here, and interested candidates, you can also check in the description once for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there are vacancies available from Bajaj Finserv for the position of executive credit operations. So the candidate should be having graduation and also 1 to 4 years of relevant experience in gold loan industry and knowledge of gold appraisal process, importing gold appraisal or evaluation training, and good interpersonal skills should be there for the candidate to apply for this executive position. And you can also go through with all the responsibilities mentioned here. So you can also check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there are openings available for subject matter expert for quantitative aptitude and reasoning. It is from Careers Cloud, Affairs Cloud. So any degree candidates are eligible to apply. So the qualification would be degree in mathematics, statistics would be preferable, and the candidate who are preparing for competitive exams like UPSC, SSC would be added benefits, and they need strong passion and willingness to learn new things and required basic working knowledge of MS Word, and so fresher candidates can also apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can check here with the job description, and also you can check in the description as well for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for supply chain analyst. So it is from NCR Corporation. So bachelor's degree is preferred for this position, and 0 to 2 years of related experience, quantitative analysis. So you should have some skills like working proficiency in Access, DBMS, and highly skilled in Microsoft Excel, and also good excellent communication skills, business and analytical and problem solving or troubleshooting skills should be there for a candidate, and ability to work independently on assigned accountabilities and tasks, and ability to identify process failures and implement solutions. So these are the qualifications. And coming to responsibilities, the candidate should monitor PO management mailbox, responds to queries and creates PO management incidents and maintains PO management incident status. So these are the responsibilities. You please go through with all the details mentioned here, and you can also check in the description as well in order to apply for this position. Next one, there are openings for a digital marketing specialist from Extravis Solutions Private Limited. So bachelor's or master's degree in marketing or related field is required to apply for this position, and also the candidate should be having some working experience in digital marketing, particularly within the industry, and experience in leading and managing SEO or SEM, marketing database, email, social media, and display advertising campaigns, and experience in optimizing landing pages and user funnels, and experience with the A by B and multivariate experiments, and solid knowledge of website and marketing analytics tools, example Google Analytics, Net Insight, Omnichar, Web Trends, and SEMrush, etc. So these are the skills required for a candidate to apply for this digital marketing specialist. So you please go through with all the details mentioned here. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is careers@extravis.co.in. Next one, there are openings available for client acquisition. It is from VNet India. So freshers and as well as up to 3 years of experienced candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So you can check here with the roles and responsibilities, and also terms and conditions mentioned here for this position. And after checking with all the details, interested candidates, you can also check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there are openings available for business development manager. It is from Bento Sushi. So for this position, the qualification would be the candidate should be having experience in B2B environment, and a high performer with analytical capabilities, problem solving and strategic planning skills should be there, and also some prior experience in generating prospects and excelling in creating a welcoming customer experience, and a positive attitude, professional and friendly customer service demeanor are must. So these are the qualifications, and you can also check here with the responsibilities mentioned here. So for more detailed responsibilities like information details and other details, you can check in the description for the link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.